In the dynamic landscape of health and wellness, finding a dietary approach that resonates with your unique needs and preferences can be transformative. Amidst the myriad of options, the Custom Keto Diet Plan emerges as a beacon of innovation, offering a tailored nutritional strategy designed specifically for your body and objectives. Features of the Custom Keto Diet Plan. Personalization. At the core of the Custom Keto Diet Plan lies its commitment to customization. By considering individual factors such as body composition, weight loss goals, activity levels, and dietary preferences, the program crafts a bespoke meal plan that aligns perfectly with your lifestyle. Flexibility. Adaptability is key, and the Custom Keto Diet Plan delivers. Whether you're a busy professional, a fitness enthusiast, or a parent on the go, this program can be seamlessly integrated into your daily routine. With a diverse array of delicious recipes, instructional videos, and convenient meal options, sticking to your dietary goals becomes effortless. Scientific backing. Backed by scientific research and developed by a team of experts, the Custom Keto Diet Plan is grounded in evidence-based principles. This ensures not only the effectiveness of the program but also its safety and sustainability over the long term. Benefits of the Custom Keto Diet Plan. Weight loss. By harnessing the power of ketosis, the plan facilitates efficient fat burning, leading to significant and sustainable weight loss results. Increased energy levels. Unlike traditional calorie-restricted diets that often leave you feeling fatigued, the ketogenic diet provides a steady source of energy, keeping you feeling alert and energized throughout the day. Improved health markers. Studies have shown that following a ketogenic diet can lead to improvements in various health markers, including reduced inflammation, improved blood sugar control, and better heart health. Enhanced mental clarity. Many individuals report experiencing improved mental clarity and focus when following a ketogenic diet, making it easier to stay productive and focused on daily tasks. Flexible meal options. With a wide range of delicious and satisfying meal options to choose from, the Custom Keto Diet Plan ensures that you never feel deprived or restricted in your food choices. Pricing and availability. The Custom Keto Diet Plan is available for purchase through the official website. Priced at $37, the program offers lifetime access to a wealth of resources, including personalized meal plans, instructional videos, and customer support. Additionally, the program is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee, providing peace of mind and assurance to customers. The Custom Keto Diet Plan represents a cutting-edge approach to nutrition that prioritizes personalization, flexibility, and results. Whether you're looking to shed excess pounds, improve your overall health, or simply optimize your dietary habits, this program offers a comprehensive solution that can help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. Click the link below for further details and information.